Welcome to McEwen Village right here in Mint Hill, North Carolina. Now, Mint Hill is a suburb of Charlotte. It's about 10 to 15 minutes from the city center, but it's in Mecklenburg County. Now, reason why Mint Hill is so attractive is because not only is it easily accessible to the city of Charlotte, but the schools in this area, top notch, absolutely wonderful. You have Bain Elementary, which is a top rated elementary school. Then you have their middle school, which also is highly rated. In addition to that, Mint Hill has a small town feel full of small business shops, restaurants, coffee shops, and just a family environment. There's tons of events that happen right here in Mint Hill. I believe they have something called the Mint Hill Madness, where annually they celebrate the establishment of the town of Mint Hill. If you're looking for an affordable housing option that has access to excellent schools, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, this is the community for you. Right now they have about 25 or so townhouse units left, and pricing, they just took a price cut. They want to be able to close a few more people by the end of the year. So reach out to my team and I so we can help you lock in a great deal. Right now, pricing in this community goes anywhere from $354 all the way up to $359. Now again, that is with a price cut. Just a couple months ago, people were paying significantly more than that. They reduced the price by about $20,000, and don't tell anybody. You can also get up to $10,000 in seller concessions to buy your interest rate down and or pay your closing cost. So we're talking about the purchase price being affordable, under $400,000, but you can even pay less than that by getting a significantly lower interest rate than what, the 5.3 the 7.3 that's being quoted right now. Come with me, let's take a look at this Cameron floor plan, and I guarantee you, you will not be disappointed. The owner suite has 2 closets. Did I mention that there's a laundry room? Let's go inside and take a look. Now let's go into this Cameron floor plan. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome that is just under 1,800 square feet. Now you see the nice open layout as soon as you walk in the door. What I notice is how big the kitchen is. We'll get there in a second. For a townhome. Look at that huge island right there. Tons of cabinet space. Stainless steel appliances. Subway tile backsplash. A substantial pantry. That is your half bathroom downstairs. And a townhome with 2-car garage. Now let's head upstairs. Let's first go into the laundry room and the secondary bedrooms, as well as the general bathroom. One thing to notice as you go into the bedrooms is the size of the closets. Typically, secondary bedrooms in single-family homes, let alone a townhome, do not receive such big closets. Now let's take a look at the owner suite. You see that tray ceiling, tons of natural light. If you're thinking about buying, selling, investing in the Carolinas, be sure to reach out to my team and I. We would love to help you on this real estate journey. Advise you, educate you, and put you in the best position possible to succeed in what you're trying to accomplish in real estate, whether it's buying brand new construction, buying an investment property, or selling your property. We are here to help. And this is the second closet here in the owner suite. Now this is something you typically don't see. And I look at tons of houses every single day. If you're interested, I look forward to hearing from you so we can connect and just put you on the right path and make sure you're not wasting your time as you search to buy a home or to sell your home. I'm Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor. Talk to you soon.